Is your Ninja Foodi Grill producing excessive smoke? Let's troubleshoot the issue step by step. No tools required. We'll start with the simplest fixes and move to more involved solutions if needed. By the end of this video, your grill will operate with minimal smoke and maximum flavor. Begin by cleaning the grill grates and drip tray. Grease or food residue buildup can burn during cooking, creating smoke. Soak grates in warm, soapy water and scrub with a non-abrasive brush. Empty the drip tray regularly to prevent old oils from smoking. Next, adjust the temperature settings. High heat can char food or residual oils, generating smoke. Use the air fry function for gentler cooking or reduce the temperature slightly when using the grill setting. Ensure proper ventilation. Place the grill in a well-ventilated area, away from curtains or flammable materials. Open a window or use a kitchen exhaust fan to disperse smoke. For persistent smoke, inspect the cyclonic air system. Debris in the vents or fan can disrupt airflow, trapping smoke inside. Use a soft brush or compressed air to clear obstructions. Refer to your manual for vent locations. Still stuck? Use the link in the video description to access Ninja's troubleshooting guide. If this video helped, subscribe for more quick fixes. Have another issue? Let us know in the comments. We may feature it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling!